Questar 3 BOCES New Visions programs give students more than just a head start. It offers a glimpse of their future. New Visions Medical blends hands-on experience with classroom learning, exposing students to clinical practices, patient care, and human physiology. It's a chance to explore healthcare careers before heading to college. This program is offered at 2 locations, Samaritan Hospital in Troy for Rensselaer County students, and Columbia-Greene Community College in Hudson for Columbia and Greene County students. Seniors spend a half day in our classrooms with like-minded students from nearby schools. They participate in hospital clinicals, interact with college professors and healthcare professionals, and engage in rigorous college coursework.
I think it really gave me a big opportunity to be able to feel what my future would be like and to really solidify my feelings that if I really do want to go into the medical field.
This has definitely been like my best school year of high school. It's the most engaging. I've learned a lot, made some really cool friends in the class, and I know that everything I learned here is going to be super applicable to my future.
Work hands-on in our classroom, network with medical professionals, and take your learning to the next level. Speak to your counselor to learn more or visit questar.org/newvisions.